Hello and welcome, it's Terry here on the Trinity Stamps YouTube channel. Today I am sharing a gift tag for the 12 days of gift tag celebration here over on the Trinity Stamps YouTube channel as well as our Instagram account. So let's get started. So first I am selecting a gift tag die tag. This one is included in the card and envelope builder die set mini slimline, and I love the size of this tag. So I went ahead and die cut that out of a kiwi lime colored cardstock. Now going in with the ribbon twist 6x6 layering stencil, I am placing it towards the right side of my card tag. I'm not utilizing the entire stencil. I'm shifting it down a little bit so it's just coming off to the edge of the gift tag. Now going in with a blue shade of ink and using my blending buddy, I am blending the ink onto the openings of the stencil. And before I remove the stencil, I like to clean it off with a napkin or a baby wipe. And for the second part of the stencil, I rotated the stencil around. And now I'm aligning the stencil up with the marks that we've already created from earlier. And once I had that perfectly placed, I used my magnets to hold it down. Then going in with a darker blue ink and using my blending buddy again, I'm inking all of the opened areas. And I went ahead and removed the stencil and washed that off screen. And for the look of my gift card, I wanted a vintage antique look. So going in with a dark shade of brown ink and my blending brush again, I'm just blending some color around the edges. This is creating a vignette effect. And to add a little more interest to the card tag, I'm going in with some metallic gold paint and I'm splattering that all over the card panel. So part of the die set, there is a little enforcer. So I went ahead and die cut that out of gold colored cardstock, and I'm gluing this on top of the gift tag with liquid adhesive. And off screen, I went ahead and heat embossed with white embossing powder onto black cardstock using the Elegant Christmas Sentiment 4x8 stamp set. And I used the coordinating dies to cut that out as well. And to complete this gift tag, I went ahead and grabbed some twine and added the twine on top of the gift tag. Okay, and that pretty much completes my gift tag. I hope you enjoy this tutorial and follow along for the 12 days of gift tags. And please don't forget to like this video and follow for more future videos. Okay, until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.